Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Akhil here, and in today's video guys, I am going to talk about the value of English language. So guys, it is true that English is an international language and it will really help you to communicate with people who are living in foreign country. And it is really very important that when you come across people who knows English, at that time you will be able to talk in English. So guys, I just want to tell you that you must improve your English language. Guys, people are not going to help you, people are not going to suggest you that you must learn English language. It is your own interest. If you really want to learn English, you must take interest and you should keep it up. You should make English as a part of your life. You should continue learn English language. And guys, you should be motivated. First of all, it is really very important. If you are not motivated, then sometimes you will learn English, sometimes you will not learn English. So it is also very important that you should learn English every day. And I can understand that you will have some difficulties when you will start learning English, and it happens. So don't worry about that. If you are starting, then there will be many difficulties, there will be many problems. Sometimes you will be distressed, sometimes you will be upset, sometimes you will be bored that what am I going to do? Why am I learning English? So first of all, you need to find out the solid reason that why you are learning English. Guys, English is really important. And don't care about the people. Don't listen to other people. It is your choice. If you think that English is going to add some value in your life, then you should learn English. Guys, people have knowledge. People are very educated, but they are not able to communicate with people. Their language is not improved. They are not able to communicate in English, and it is going to hamper many achievements in your life. So guys, I just want to say that you must learn English. Really guys, it is really very interesting language. I love this language. My mother tongue is Hindi. I love my mother tongue, and simultaneously I learn English and I love English. I like English because when I learn English, so my mind start working fast, and really it helps us to improve our skills. Guys, if you have knowledge of English, you will be able to get the knowledge by people whose language is English. And it also helps you to connect with other people whose language is English. So guys, I just want to say that you have one life and you must learn English. I will suggest you, because it is my personal suggestion for you, and if you really want to improve your English speaking, then you should. And it really will be beneficial for you. Whenever you are having any chance, then at that time it is going to help you, because you are going to communicate with people easily, comfortably. So I just want to say that I am making this video for this purpose, that you must learn English. I will say many times because it really helps you, believe it or not. So guys, this is my suggestion to you, and I will say many times that English will really help you. So start learning English. Do not learn for some time. Do not learn for entertainment. Make some solid aim. You should have some goal that why are you learning English. Guys, really, when you do not have anything, at that time English will also help you. English will give you employment. You can teach English for students. Really, guys, and I will tell you that if you are working hard to learn English language, then it will also pay you. Don't worry about that. It is going to pay you. So guys, it is my personal suggestion to you that you must learn English, and I am making this video for this purpose, that if you will learn English, then it will definitely help you in many ways. So guys, I hope so this video is very helpful for you, and if you liked my video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, do comment, do share, and I will be meeting with you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep studying, and happy learning. Bye.